Hello.
Hi,
How are you today?
I am good, thank you.
And you?
I am great.
I have a fun idea.
Oh, what is it?
Let's plan a trip.
A trip? I love trips.
But this is a very special trip.
Where are we going?
We are going to a fantasy place.
Somewhere that is not real?
Exactly, it is, in our minds.
That sounds interesting.
The place is called the Whispering Woods.
The Whispering Woods? What a nice name.
It is a forest where the trees can talk.
The trees can talk?
Yes. They whisper secrets to visitors.
What kind of secrets?
Secrets of the world, of the past.
Can we ask them questions?
Yes, we can ask them anything.
Do all the trees talk?
No, only the old ones, the ones with silver leaves.
Silver leaves? How beautiful.
And the rivers sing songs.
The rivers sing?
Yes, they sing happy, gentle songs. The water bubbles and makes music.
I want to hear the singing river.
The animals in the woods are friendly too. Squirrels will eat from your hand.
And the deer?
The deer will walk with you.
Are there any bears?
The bears are gentle giants. They sleep in the sun.
So nothing is dangerous?
Nothing is dangerous in the Whispering Woods. It is a place of peace.
How do we get there?
We close our eyes.
And then what?
We imagine a small golden door.
A golden door. Okay.
The door is in a field of flowers.
What kind of flowers?
All kinds. Red, blue, yellow. They smell like honey.
I can almost smell them now.
We open the golden door.
And what is behind it?
A path made of soft moss. That is the entrance to the woods.
So we walk on the moss path.
Yes. The air will feel warm. We will hear a soft whisper.
Is that the trees?
It is the wind telling the trees we are here. The trees will then wake up.
What do we do first?
We should find the heart tree.
The heart tree?
It is the oldest tree in the forest. It knows all the secrets.
How do we find it?
We follow the fireflies.
The fireflies will show us the way?
Yes, they glow with a purple light. They lead all visitors to the heart tree.
What does the heart tree look like?
It is huge. Its bark shines like pearls.
And its leaves are silver?
Yes, all its leaves are silver. They chime in the wind.
I want to ask it a question.
What will you ask?
I will ask it how to be happy forever.
That is a wonderful question.
What will you ask?
I will ask it to tell me a story.
A story from long ago?
A story about the stars.
The tree knows about the stars?
The tree is as old as the stars. After we talk to the tree, what's next?
We can go to the crystal cave.
What is in the crystal cave?
The walls are covered in glowing crystals.
What color are they?
They are every color of the rainbow.
Do they make a sound?
Yes, they hum a low, soft tune.
It sounds like a magical place.
The echo in the cave repeats your laugh.
So if I laugh, the cave laughs with me?
Yes, it fills the air with happy sounds.
What else can we do?
We can have a picnic.
What food will we eat?
In the Whispering Woods, you just think of food.
And it appears?
Yes, baskets full of delicious things.
I will think of strawberry cake.
I will think of chocolate ice cream.
And warm bread.
And fresh apple juice.
Where will we have this picnic?
By the singing river.
So we can eat and listen to the music.
Exactly.
Will the friendly animals join us? Of course, a little rabbit will sit with you.
A blue bird will sit on your shoulder.
A bluebird?
Yes, the birds are all bright colors.
What do we do after the picnic?
We can make flower crowns.
From the flowers in the field?
Yes, the flowers never wilt.
So our crowns will last forever?
Yes, forever.
What happens when the sun sets?
The sky does not get dark.
No?
The stars come out, but the sky stays deep blue.
And the moon is very big?
The moon is twice as big.
It looks like you can touch it.
Do the trees whisper at night?
Yes, their whispers are clearer at night. They tell bedtime stories.
And the river? Does it still sing?
It sings lullabies at night. The whole forest becomes calm and sleepy.
Can we sleep there?
Yes, on beds of soft leaves. The fireflies will be our night lights.
Will we be warm?
The air is always the perfect temperature. It sounds like a perfect day.
It is a perfect adventure.
Can we go there often?
We can go there anytime we want.
We just need to find the golden door.
In our minds.
I feel like I am almost there now.
Me too. The world feels quiet.
I can hear the soft moss under my feet.
I can see the silver leaves shining.
Let's go now.
Yes, let's go.
Close your eyes.
They are closed.
See you in the whispering woods.
See you there.